Good morning everyone, my name is Anushka Kadam. I am student of Jewellery Designing and Manufacturing Department of SNDT Women's University. I am here to present you my latest collection inspired by the Lotus temple, which is in Delhi. It is also known as Bahia's house, which is famous due to its 27 petal structure. The first is the tiara, which is in white gold, which has the pave setting in the center and channel setting along the other motifs, which has the ear cuff attached to it, has the shared prong setting. Moving on to the bangles, the first one is in white gold, which has marquise and the pave setting in it. The second one is of rose gold, which has pave setting along the edge and a fancy cut diamond in between. The third one is in white gold and has shade prong setting along the edge and the pave setting in the center. Thank you.